Se me escapa. Buenos días, estamos aquí con
Elena.
Antonietta, Anna,
Joseph.
Philip.
Kajetan.
who is from
Poland, Gdańsk.
Austria, from Graz.
England, London.
Roma in Italia.
Germany.
And we're about to ask her some questions about her stay here in Valencia. First of all, why did you choose Valencia?
I really wanted to learn Spanish because my aunt came here when she was same age and she fell in love and she loved it so much here, so I wanted to follow her steps.
Elegí Valencia porque me iba a gustar aprender español, mejorarlo y vivir en una ciudad que no era muy grande como por ejemplo otras ciudades de España, pero mucho más chiquita y bien organizada en todo.
I choose it first of all because of the weather, really good weather here, and the second is because Spanish people I really know to be nice, and this is the case.
Well, I had three options: Madrid, Valencia, or Tenerife. And I knew I didn't want to be in a big city like London again. And I wanted to be in mainland Spain. And I'd heard a lot about Valencia being a lovely city with, the Turia and the culture. So I thought, yeah, it sounds great.
I chose Valencia because I like Spain a lot. I wanted to learn Spanish, and I think the best way to learn a new language is to travel to that country and live in the country, and that's why I'm here. And also, I really like the Spanish lifestyle, like the Spanish food, and of course, I like the Spanish weather and the beach.
I think it's a beautiful city and it has great weather. It was also the biggest city that my uni offered, so that's mostly why.